Hey everyone, and welcome to Cooking Companion TV. I'm Jenna Edwards, and this is a recipe demo of leeks in mustard vinaigrette from the new Vegetarian Cooking for Everyone by Deborah Madison. Give this video a thumbs up if you like it. Leeks come in all shapes and sizes, really thin ones, fat ones, short ones, long ones, so try to find the thin ones for this recipe. To prep for this recipe, we want 6 to 8 leeks for a full serving, including an inch of the pale greens. So remove the outer layer and the scraggly roots if they're especially gnarly, leaving the base of the leaves intact. And then slice the leeks in half to an inch above the root end. Soak them in a large bowl of water for 15 minutes, and then rinse under running water to remove sand and dirt. We'll thinly slice 1 carrot. You don't have to do the half moons that you see me doing here. The carrots don't make it into the final dish, they're just to flavor the cooking water. And we slice 1 celery rib. Same thing, shape doesn't matter because it's just flavoring the water. Gather your aromatics. You'll need 1 bay leaf, 4 thyme sprigs, and 5 parsley sprigs for a full recipe. Put the leeks in a single layer in a large skillet with the aromatics, and cover with water. It'll be hard to tell what's enough water because your leeks will float, so you'll have to push them down occasionally to see if the water covers them, and then of course release them to float back up so you can cook. I even took a knife to shimmy around the leeks to release any bubbles that may be keeping them afloat. You'll simmer the leeks until they're tender when pierced with a knife, about 20 to 25 minutes. For something like this, it's quickest to bring it to a boil and then reduce the bubbles to a simmer. In the meantime, let's make the mustard vinaigrette. We need to finely chop 2 shallots, so we'll make very thin slices lengthwise, leaving, about half to 1/4 of an inch at the roots so everything stays attached. Then we'll make horizontal slices to make an even, fine dice. Then finely mince 1 clove of garlic. Measure 2 tablespoons of sherry vinegar, red wine vinegar, or even fresh lemon juice. 1 tablespoon of Dijon mustard, 2 tablespoons of sour cream or creme fraiche, 1/3 cup of olive oil, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and a few pinches of freshly milled black pepper, 2 tablespoons of chopped chives. We grow our own chives, so we get chive blossoms each season, which make a beautiful garnish. And 1 tablespoon of chopped parsley, 3 tablespoons of rinsed capers. The original recipe says to mix the ingredients in a specific order, which I always forget to do, so I just stir it up as is, and it emulsifies just fine. I don't know if the other way is better or different because I always forget to do it. And now we plate. My knife tells me the leeks are tender at the root, so let's go. They're pretty when you spread out the leaves a little, and don't drain them too much. You want a little bit of the cooking liquid to make its way to the plate. And generously spoon the vinaigrette over the top. Now this vinaigrette can be used on other vegetables too, not just leeks. So think of something like char grilled or grilled, like broccolini. It sounds really good with this. And garnish with the little purple chive blossoms, if you have them, for a super spring dish. And give yourself some bread to sop it all up with. In fact, if you have leftovers, you can chop it all up together and serve it on the crostinis. Now the cooking liquid can be strained and used for soup stock or risotto. I saved it for another leek recipe because it's leek season. That is it for this recipe demo of leeks in mustard vinaigrette. Get the ingredient list below or at cookingcompaniontv.com/leeks in mustard vinaigrette. Give this video a thumbs up if you like it and subscribe to this channel for more demos just like this. I'm Jenna Edwards and thanks for watching.